Well, hey everybody, as always, thanks for stopping in and checking out this video. Today I got this LiftMaster side mount. The model number on this particular one is an LJ8900W.
What's up with that?
Oh, that's a lot of damage.
It is what it is, but today I'm changing the motherboard out on this. I'm going to show you how to do it. Nice. So like I said right there, the side mount. First thing you want to do is just unplug it and then open the lid. Once you get that lid open, if you have a battery backup, it's located right here. 1/4 inch nut driver, take that out. Take the battery out of the case and just lay the battery to the side. So this unit here, it doesn't have a battery inside of there, so I don't have to mess around with that. Now that we got the power killed to it, next step, what you want to do is just take out all your wiring. You know, your wall button, safety sensors, your cable tension monitor. Get all those wires out of the way. Once you get the wires out of there, your next step is this panel right here at the very top. It's a 1/4 inch screw. So we're going to take that off to expose the board underneath. So let's get after it. Okay, so I got all the wiring out of there, and like I said, I just kind of get it out of the way. Next thing, let's take that off. And just lay that cover off to the side. And you're gonna see right there, there's our circuit board. So what you wanna do on the left-hand side, that antenna, just pull that guy out. Just like that. And next, what we wanna do is just unplug all of these. Just unplug the wire harnesses. There's 4 of them. There's 1 and 2. Come down over here. There's 3. Sometimes they can be kind of tough to pull off, but persistence, my friends. There's the last one. Pull that off. Okay. So now there's going to be 4 screws that you're going to have to take out. Right there's 1. Underneath there. There's 2. 3 and 4. Get you a Phillips and remove those 4 screws. There's our 4 screws. FYI, the small screws go on the bottom, and then the 2 big longer screws are up there at the top.
Right on.
So now basically that board will just pull right out.
Nice.
There it is. In all its glory. All right, now it's time to put the new one back in there. Alright, so there's the new one. So just put that back in the way you took that one out. Easy peasy. Alright, there she be. Got the new board in there. I'll just plug everything back in. Make sure everything is nice and snug and on there. Alright, good to go. There we go. Successful surgery. Now you just take your antenna, tuck it back down in there.
Got him! Got him!
Okay, to get that antenna back where it needs to be, I did have to remove this cover here because there's a slot that it runs through on the side there, and it's just impossible to get it ran down there without it catching. So it's just as easy as take this cover off. Put the antenna down there, it comes out the bottom, put the cover back on. Speaking of which, I'm gonna put the cover back on this guy. Okay, there we have it. Cover back on, all the wiring, wall button, safety sensors, cable tension monitor. We are ready to try this. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now we want to plug it back in and see what happens. Let's cross our fingers and hopefully that this is it. Okay, let's plug it in. Alright, that's a good sign. So here's the moment of truth. Before it wouldn't even let me get it in programming mode for the up and down limits. There we go. Oh, that's a beautiful sound.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Okay, let's program the up limit, meaning let's program the door height. Do that by pressing up. Let's get a header height.
That's what she said.
A little bit more. Alright, that's right at the header. Let's lock in the up limit. Oh, beautiful. Down arrow. That's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and set the down. Press and hold the arrow until that door gets to where you want it at the floor. Alright, I'm going to fine tune it a little bit by just bumping it. Bump it up.
Oh my God.
Because I didn't want it smashing the floor. Let's see what she looks like. Looks beautiful to me. I'm going to lock it into place. And once you lock in place by pressing that black button. So that beeping means stand back, stand back. Now it's learning or how much muscle force is required to pull this door all the way open. Boom. It's gonna blink again. Down arrow. Stand back.
Watch out.
It's gonna run all the way down. Alright, force control is set. That means all done. Go ahead and close the cover on the opener. Got it all buttoned up. Took care of the issue. Changed out that circuit board. And with changing a new circuit board, if you have any remotes or keypads, you're going to have to reprogram those. Thanks for following me on this one. It's super hot today. My phone is overheating, so video quality right now may suck horribly, but hopefully you can see this and hear it. Peace out, y'all.